Hey guys, we're gonna make some hard candy. This would be a great gift idea since times are hard right now. If you wanna make a gift for your family that they're gonna love, but it's not gonna break the bank, I got you. We're gonna need sugar, water, light corn syrup, food coloring is optional, and flavoring oil. So I made this video a long time ago on my YouTube channel and it was actually popular, so follow along and I'll show you how to make it so easy. Okay, you're going to start off by adding 3 3/4 cup of sugar. I already have 1 full cup. So 1 1/4 cups of light. I'm going to put this on medium-high heat. And I'm going to stir it occasionally, stir all this up, and I'm going to keep stirring it. And I'm stir it up really well. And then you're going to stick your candy thermometer in. Make sure it's not touching the sides, it's just in the candy. We are going to keep stirring this until it starts to boil, and when it comes to a full boil, we're going to wait, and we're not going to stir it anymore until it gets to 300. That's when it gets to the hard candy stage. Then we'll put our flavoring and food coloring in. All right, this is my last stir. It's boiling. And I'm going to let it boil until it gets to 300. I'm not going to touch it again. Okay, while that's boiling, you're going to get your molds ready. You do not have to use silicone molds. You can use a plain baking sheet with sides on it and just spray it with some Pam, put some powdered sugar on it, and just pour it in there. And when it dries completely, you can crack it and just have your candy like that. But I have these silicone molds that I got off Amazon. I'm gonna sprinkle sprinkle powdered sugar in these to make them come out easier. All right, we're at 300 degrees. I'm going to put some food coloring first. Actually, I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna set it in a cup. Don't put that on your counter, believe me. Okay, I'm gonna do about 5 drops. Okay, and I'm going to do a whole bottle of flavoring oil of cinnamon. They're really tiny. And then I'm going to stir this up, turn it off, and we'll take it over to the table. Okay, this is almost the perfect amount for 2 of these silicone molds, or again, you can pour it into a baking sheet besides. But I got my water over here. As soon as you're finished with that pot, you want to get some hot water in there so it doesn't start sticking to your pot because it'll make it harder. If you do, you can put the pot back on the stove, boil it with some water and get it, boiled down again. Okay, let's get this stuck. I'm also going to sprinkle some more powdered sugar. Okay. Now, that powdered sugar is going to come off, but we're just going to start pushing these out. So easy. These molds just make it come out so easy.